the St. John's Organic Farm, and I want to talk a little bit about our cooking practices for the beef we raise. This is grass-fed, grass-finished organic beef, and it will cook a little differently from some of the conventional stuff that you may be used to. With steaks and with hamburgers, we recommend you start by cooking them about half the time you normally would. This is important because the fat is different in our grass-finished beef, and while it's very, very flavorful, it responds differently to heat. And if you overcook it, it can get tough. It's not the end of the world. There are ways we can salvage that, but it's a shame to have a tough steak when it can be so delicious. So cook it. We want to sear it on both sides to seal the flavor and the juices in, and then cook it on a medium to low heat until done. And for our hamburgers, we cook them like steaks. You want to sear them hot on both sides and then cook on a lower heat until finished. With our roasts, we like to put those in the slow cooker or crock pot and cook on a low heat for at least 8 hours until they are almost falling apart. And believe me, that is tasty. Feel free to look us up for some delicious beef, and I hope you enjoy.